Flagship students, come on up. Who's up next? All right, would you like pink or blue? Philadelphia is a living, thriving place. It's a whole ecosystem. It's not just, bricks and humans. There's a lot more that live here too. All of the bugs that are on this mural live in Kensington. My name's Sarah McAnulty, and I'm the executive director of Skype a Scientist, which is a science education nonprofit here in Philly. One hand on there, beautiful. Any one square. In my past life, I was a squid biologist. I was getting my PhD on squid biology. I drive a Squidmobile, which has a hotline on the back that you can text for squid facts. Squish the paint kind of into like the crevices. I started doing street art in 2020. It was all about squid, it was all about squid facts and that sort of thing. And then this is our first big mural project for this year. This project is called Our Living City. It's all about insects and the native plants that they rely on. Oh, definitely the green sweat bee.
Right on.
We made this mural in collaboration with the Friends of H.A. Brown School. This is an elementary school in East Kensington where we painted the project.
I think it's going to turn out like really cool. I think it's going to be pretty.
We prepped the wall basically with paint by numbers, and we gridded it out with lots of little rectangles. So each of the 300 kids at this school could have their block and paint their block in. Here's a brush, here's a cup.
You only get like an opportunity like this one time. So I really enjoy stuff like this.
And it's just really beautiful. It just shows that I can be a part of the school community.
We also worked with the East Kensington Neighbors Association, who are really important community partners. And the artist for this project is Nick Dauria.
I can just take what's already on the brush and just smooth it out. I know when I was younger and I got to work on community projects, it felt like you were a part of it. And some people, maybe this is their neighborhood, they grew up here, and they'll come back at some point and feel some sense of ownership on the piece.
And I'm psyched that the kids got to vote on one of the bugs. That's cute. And I hope by making this project really interactive with the students, they feel like they're a part of helping their friends and families know that Philadelphia is a living place. If anybody's interested in learning more or getting involved in our organization, you can learn more at skypeascientist.com.